The most important thing that you need to know is what are mild symptoms and what are moderate symptoms, because the treatment for both are different. Or there are hundreds of portals to tell you what are all the symptoms, be it respiratory tract symptoms or gastrointestinal symptoms, generalized symptoms. In addition to this, it is very important that you monitor certain parameters at home. 4 things: temperature, heart rate, oxygen saturation, and respiratory rate. If your temperature is above normal, which is 37 degrees centigrade, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. If it is above normal, then this means you have fever and you're febrile and you are expected to take paracetamol and keep it under control. But if it keeps increasing day by day, usually when you say from mild to moderate, that means the temperature goes above 100, which is 100 degree Fahrenheit, 37.7 degree centigrade. The normal heart rate is around 72 per minute. But if your heart rate is above 100 along with increase in temperature, then it clearly says that the inflammation is actually increasing inside the body. Then your respiratory rate, normal respiration, the number of times you breathe per minute, it has to be less than 24 per minute. If you start breathing more than 24 per minute, that means that your lungs are slowly getting involved, right? The last, that also has to coincide with the saturation. So you keep measuring the saturation. It is normally above 95%. Suppose when you walk, the saturation drops below 93%, or when you talk continuously, your saturation is dropping. That means your lung is not able to compensate. Temperature consistently above 100 degree Fahrenheit or 37.7 degree centigrade, even with paracetamol. Heart rate more than 100 per minute, respiratory rate more than 24 per minute, saturation dropping below 93%. These are all indicators of the moderate disease. That means that you're shifting from mild to moderate. It is in this stage that you need blood investigation and CT evaluation, and to make sure that you're progressing from mild to moderate, and your doctor, treating doctor, would want to give you steroids at this stage. One important point that I'd like to mention here is steroids are not given for mild disease, because in the stage of viremia, where your defense mechanism is fighting against the virus, if you suppress the defense by taking steroids, the virus multiplies more. At the same time, when you're progressing from mild to moderate disease, when the defense is slightly taking over, and that is going to create problem for your body, it's important to put the defense system down by taking steroids. So please be under constant touch with your doctor. That's very, very important to manage patients with mild disease.